What's the meaning of commissar? Commissar. Commissar.
Commissar. Commissar. The term commissar refers to a type of political officer who was appointed to oversee the activities of military units or other organizations. These officers had broad authority to enforce political policies and ensure loyalty to the government. They were common in Soviet Russia and other communist countries during the 20th century. The commissars were known for their strict adherence to party ideology and their willingness to use force to maintain control. Today, the term is often used more broadly to refer to any authoritarian figure who exercises excessive or oppressive control over others.